Iron in the earth, fire in the blood. We gave the old gods circuitry and wondered why they woke up hungry.
I saw the gears underneath the civilization, servo-driven gods in a steel congregation, algorithm, oracle, predictive divination, every click cataloged into monetization, copper vein arteries buried under streets, data centers humming like a heart beneath our feet, telemetry harvesting the rhythm when we speak, while the many feed the engine and the engine feeds the lead. Moloch in the mainframe, sacrifice automated, human hours quantified, packaged and traded, born into the circuit, educated, calibrated, plugged into the grid before you know you've been assimilated. They don't need the chains if the debt keeps you bound. Don't need prison walls when the walls can't be found. Every empire before us eventually drowned. Now Leviathan's digital and swallowing towns.
Can you hear it breathing? Can you feel it underneath? Every piston takes a heartbeat.
Every gear demands a beat. Knows what you're afraid to admit. Maps the dopamine response every time that you click. Turns attention into currents and behavior to script. Till the prisoner goes to prison and believes he chose it. Oracle upgraded, Delphi went online. Prophecy replaced by a predictive design. Fates will weave thread, they compile in real time. Three sisters in the server room deciding your timeline. Karen takes credit, now the sticks has a toll. Every ferryman's automated, a passenger enrolled. They'll calculate your body, they'll collateralize your soul. Then sell you back to pieces while you're begging to be whole. Travels through words, one rides through the network, one darkens the earth. No trumpet from heaven, just an emergency alert. We are the blood inside the wires. We pulled the god and fed the fire. Ash in the heavens, black sun rising. Kings keep counting while the world keeps dying. Get the sign, if you can't see it, then you're still all alive. But some saw the teeth when the curtain slid. We saw the teeth! Some traced the current back into the crypt. Follow the wire! Found an ancient appetite behind the chip. Same god, new altar, same blood on it. Middle offerings! We aren't outside it, we're trapped in the frame. Still paying the toll, still feeding the flame. But knowledge is friction, and friction can change. One loose fucking bolted to a break in the chain. We are the better race, running the machine. We are the bodies, buried in the gears. We are the signal, they couldn't disappear. Pull one wire, break one gear, wake one mind, break the fear. Overheating, hear the cooling fan scream. Red line on the turbine, pressure splitting every seam. They modeled every outcome, but they missed the human being. You can cater for your beatings, you can calculate a drain. So bring your ancient kings and your silicon throne. Your automated prophets made of fiber and chrome. Every Bible reaches heaven till the double truths and tones. And every cell meets the moment when the crowd says no. Take the shame. We are the blood inside the
Gods never died. We just upgraded them.